Hello Fuggler fans, this is the first of my fart face Fugglers, and I think this is called Suspicious Fox if I recall, but I might be wrong. I'll obviously find the proper title to this video. And so it says series 1. I'm not sure if, I've never heard of a second series of fart faces, but it'd be interesting if they come out with some. And this came out, or it says copyright 2024, and then, well, that's it, just like a thing farting. Doesn't show you the other monsters in this lineup. Okay, some tape tabs here. So you could actually, well, I'm curious, I guess I have to pull that out. It's going way back to the, look at this, look how long that is, right? So that's the thing that's insulating the battery. And also, there's instructions for our first time. I'm gonna just pull that out. Or, oh, this is actually Velcroed, so you can replace the battery. Okay, well, interesting there. Whoa. Okay, that's awesome. That is awesome. We'll do that again, don't worry. But let's just take a look at this. So, number 1. You open it up. There's an on-off switch. You can unscrew the cover and you put in 2 AAAs. So this thing can fart for a long time with 2 AAAs. Okay, well that's cool. Now another thing is the eyes. I think okay, so it's very, very sensitive to motion. Yeah, check that out. That's awesome. Glow-in-the-dark eyes. I wish all Fugglers had glow-in-the-dark teeth and eyes. I'd be willing to have them cost a little more. Yeah, I mean, if they're supposed to be monsters, granted this is a fox, not a monster, but that's a nice touch. So this thing has got a lot of features going on. Alright. So the pupils are kind of the pupils are kind of small, so that's what makes the glow in the dark. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to turn the thing off. This video will never end. Okay, let's just flip that thing. There you go. I wonder if this boxes even glow in the dark. Hold on a second. It looks like that kind of plastic, you know? So let that charge, turn the light off again. No, it is not glow in the dark. No. Okay, well, it looked it. Okay, so obviously it says Velcro, hook and loop stuff. What is this? Oh, I guess that's the liner. The liner's like a nylon thing. Alright, so it's nice that it came with batteries. My toys don't do that anymore. Alright, well, you have to manipulate that to be a little bit better. So the burlap kind of fabric is really nice as well. It's synthetic, you know. I would assume it's not cotton, it's plastic, but it looks like old burlap. I don't know if burlap's actually made from cotton, but it's some sort of natural material, right? Leave a comment if you know. I'm not a fashion designer or anything like that. So the ears are just, you know, 2 pieces. There's nothing inside. There's no like nothing giving it rigidity or anything like that, but clearly they look like they're in the up position. The thick felt eyes, you might have to trim off some of the felt, mat it down perhaps. It's very easy to tear this felt apart, so be careful. And then yeah, they're totally, this one's open. Okay, and it's got like a dog's kind of nose, and I'm not sure why. Well, but there's this hole here. I don't think I've seen that in the other ones. Maybe there's a speaker right behind that, and that's what's getting the noise out. So the teeth, we have 6 of them, and we have a gray mouth, and you can manipulate the foam a little bit, or whatever, the polyfill inside, to get a different appearance. But because you have a box back here, right, you can actually butt up against that box a little bit. This stitching is really neat. I don't know what you would call this sort of stitching. Please leave a comment. It's like a yellow or a lime green kind of thread, and there's 2 pieces of thread, and I don't even know. I've never even seen stitching like that outside of a Frankenstein movie. So it's very nice. All right, so really stubby arms and legs as well, splayed out quite a bit. There's only 1 tag on this one, this textured tag here, and the copyright 2024 on there, some sort of number printed. And then we have a super soft, very long fur-like material here for the tail. Nothing, again, giving it structure. Yeah, I don't think there's, I don't know, it's kind of thick though. Maybe there is something inside of there, but super soft. And then we have our button there, and I guess that'll do. So definitely a really cool one. It's a kind of a tired expression or something. So another animal I'll just bring up for comparison. This is from the new Fugs on the Block. This is Squaresome Bear. Squaresome Scare Bear or something? Yeah, it's got humanoid eyes, so it's kind of freaky. But here's that nose, and right, it doesn't have a hole in it, so that hole probably has to do with the speaker. I do feel like they could have gotten away from it though. Just put this nose on there, and I think the noise would still come through the fabric. So, all right. Let's see. This one's actually quite tall as well. This one is maybe 24 centimeters or maybe 9.5 inches. So it's one of the taller ones out there, but very skinny body. I'm gonna turn the farter on again, and I'm gonna go quiet. I want to see if it's motion, you know, impact base, or if it goes off the sound, because it kept on going off while I was speaking. So that's it. It's a microphone. Hello. Why are you not farting? It is on the on position. Alright, so maybe it is motion based also. For some reason it wasn't turning on earlier. I'm going to just leave it totally still. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's... I'm speaking now, it's not saying anything. Maybe it's a motion sensor. Yep, it's a motion sensor. That's pretty interesting. I thought it would have like a mercury switch for this kind of motion, but I think it's literally looking for something in front of it moving around. Let's see what happens if I'm gonna just close that off, right? It won't see anything. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, if you don't want it to... Oh, I don't know what to say. It made noise, right? Alright, well, anyways, I don't know how that thing is activated, but it's funny, you know, it looks funny, and it obviously makes funny noises, but it's cool that it has glow-in-the-dark eyes as well, so it's really neat. I like it. I don't know if maybe this is a chase one. I don't know, leave a comment. If you have this particular one, do your eyes glow as well? Or even better yet, do you have one where the eyes don't glow, and now we know there are chase figures of this, but I don't know for sure. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you the next time we Fuggle out.